the most interview questions: how to optimize high query or slow query. So optimization slow performing query in a SQL Hive involve identify the root cause and what is the issue, and after that finding the root cause, we need to implement appropriate optimization techniques. Here are some of the steps which you can optimize slow performing query. First one is what I recommend is use explain plan of your query. So this explain plan analyze your query plan, the explain statement, so how I will execute query, and it can help you identify the potential bottlenecks in the query plan. By analyzing explain output, you can identify which part of query are causing performance issues and what optimization techniques may be applicable. So this is the first statement, and the statement is pretty simple. You just type explain and then your SQL statement, whatever parameter you pass. The second thing I would like to suggest is use appropriate file format. Sometimes your data volume is very high, but you read on certain columns. Sometimes you scan the full table. So depending upon the file format and storage, you need to select appropriate techniques. So some of the example, I support several file format. I believe it support 5 or 6, and choice of the file format significantly impact your query performance. Using columnar file formats such as ORC and Parquet, and it can improve the performance by reducing input output and minimizing data scanning. So you can consider the file format as well as. The third one, what I would suggest here is optimization table structure, right? So when I say the table structure, so there is two things we can think about, like how support bucketing and partitioning. So this two feature we should take advantage. So high table can be partitioned and bucket improve querying performance. Partitioning enable the data to be divided into the smaller and more manageable chunks, while bucketing groups data based on the hash value, improving join performance. So same hash value will be resided in same place. So when you have same value, it will be faster. Use appropriate join type. So the fourth one I would say the use appropriate join type. So in the join, you should not use any function. So which will every time when its join happen, the function will execute. I support different type of joins such as map side join, join type, broadcast join, which can be improved performance. Map side join use a distributed cache load smaller table in memory, while broadcast join distributed larger table or nodes, reducing network traffic. So it's basically network traffic. So if you have a small table like dimension table, and they have certain size, so you need to consider that size like less than 500 MB, then you need to use map join. So the syntax, and so other than this, what I suggest, use map join, use some parameter before the query, use some parameter in the set.hive.sql. There is some parameter like you need to increase memory chunk size or split size, reduce data sets, use UDF in Java. Mostly Java is very faster because Python again it would convert into Java, so it's 2 times. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.